Hey everybody, it's Johnny from Focus Camera, and summer is here. That means road trips, hikes, and unforgettable photo and video adventure. Today I will be loading up my trusty Nanuk 935 heavy duty wheels case with all of my summer adventure gear, telling you exactly what I pack and why. Whether it's epic landscapes or traveling stories, this kit is built for portability, durability, and creative flexibility. This is Nanuk's 935 heavy duty wheels case. As you can see, you have nice big wheels to help you roll through all different types of terrain, and kickstands on the side, and also a kickstand here on the bottom for when you flip it up vertically. Every camper knows you want to keep your stuff elevated, so this is a really cool feature to keep your gear clean, your case clean, and away from those ants and critters as well. A bonus, these wheels are detachable from a simple press of a button, and you can put them in this provided case and hang them from the side, or you can even Velcro it to the case if you like, to help just fit easily into those overhead compartments on airplanes without any problems. This thing is built like a tank. It also has these awesome power claw latching systems that never fail. You can pull on this all you want. In order to release it, you have to push the button down and then release. It also has two eyelets which you can slide a lock in for extra security. But let's open up these latching systems and take a look inside. So you can purchase different lid organizers and swap them out. This is the mesh lid organizer. There is 4 screws inside, 1 in each pouch. You just undo them. This whole back piece comes out and you could put a different one in. Some of them have laptop compartments. This one doesn't. However, I like it because you get 2 large pockets and 2 small pockets. They're mesh, I could see through them. I know exactly where my gear is. In this pocket, I have my battery chargers, my portable, rugged, lacy hard drive. It's orange, I never lose it. It is a little bit of an older edition, so they do make them thinner now. And behind that, I have a rain cover for my camera, because you gotta stay ready when you're outdoors. The bottom, I have my Sony FZ100 batteries. I have 3 of them in there right now. I have a Canon LPE17 battery, as well as a OWC memory card. This is a great brand of memory cards. This is the 256 gigabyte V90. It's important to have a V90 if you're going to be recording video at 4K and higher frame rates, like 120 frames per second or 60 frames per second. So get yourself some nice memory cards. In the top left, I have a power adapter, AC adapter, as well as the charging cord for a light that I have inside. Below that, I have all of my cables, like USB-C cables, USB cables, lightning cables, etc. So let's take a look inside of the N-Cubic case and see what we got. Here we have our Nanuk N-Cubic 13 large internal organizer. Fits perfectly into the 935 case. You can write summer adventure kit here, and you can have multiple loadouts and just swap them out. Open this up. Let's start with our Canon PowerShot V1. This is my vlogging camera. It has 4K 30 frames per second unlimited recording and a fully articulating screen. For audio, I use this Hollyland Lark M2S super compact wireless mic system. You have it complete with 2 clip-on mics, a receiver for your camera, as well as a receiver for your phone, and an adapter cable which adapts it from a USB-C port to a lightning cable in case that's the port you have on your phone. And of course, this charging case. For lighting, I bring this Zhiyun Molus X100 RGB Pro Pocket Light. It's the Cam Mackie edition. So not only is it stylish, but it's super powerful and handy for all of my lighting needs. And you can just clip it on like this. It has barn door adapters and a mini lens reflector. I also have this mini tripod, which I use for the light as well as the vlogging camera. I got this with my Zhiyun gimbal. We have lens cloths and the goated Giotto Rocket Blaster for cleaning our lenses. We have our main camera, the Sony a7 III Classic, paired with the Sony 70 to 200 millimeter f2.8 GM telephoto zoom lens for all of our distant subject matter or for when we want compression. They do make a GM2, which is a lighter version of this, which is excellent for travel as well. Moving on to a lightweight zoom lens with this affordable Tamron 16 to 30 millimeter f2.8 G2 lens. This is for those wide angle shots of capturing the entire scene, ideal for landscape, architecture, and even astrophotography. Now, for the mid-range, I'm going to switch it up from the zoom lenses and go with 2 primes. We'll start with Sony's 35mm 1.4 GM lens. This lens is inherently versatile, one of my personal favorite focal lengths, perfectly suited for street photography, and works well in low light. We also have Sigma's Nifty 50. This is a 1.2 art lens. This really completes the focal ranges and gives us a super smooth bokeh and low light capabilities, excellent for portraiture. To pair up with all these lenses, we have our square Nisi filter set. We have neutral density filters for longer exposures and brighter conditions, graduated neutral density filters that help you expose for your foreground and even out those bright skies, keeping them from being overexposed, and also a polarizer, which will help those colors pop and reduce glare. I also have a DJI Neo with 2 extra batteries. It's a very intuitive drone that you don't even need a remote to operate. I use them for those little adventures when traveling, like day hikes and etc. And last but not least, I have the Polaroid Go. This cute little camera is fabulous for friends and family, just to take home a little bite-sized memory during your travels. Now, I don't have the Polaroid film, however, I have Fuji Instax mini film on hand just to show you how you would pack it. They're about the same size, so just pretend these are the Polaroids and you could just put them in wherever you can fit it. And that's the summer adventure loadout. Everything fits snug into our Nanuk 935 heavy duty wheels case, and we're ready to hit the road. What kind of gear do you shoot on your summer adventures? Drop a comment below and let me know your must-haves. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you're into gear guides and creative content. I'll see you next time.